Guys, can this meme coin right here potentially do a 10x from the current price levels? Let's talk about it in this video. So the crypto markets are completely wild right now. Loads of people in the Discord are making some good gains right now, as well as inside the Patreon. So if you want to potentially make some good gains like the guys in the Discord right here, check out the Patreon. You can also scan this QR right here, jump straight into it if you want to, and just have a little look. Now, let's jump straight into the juicy stuff. We're looking at a meme coin today. Whilst the crypto markets are pumping, we actually see Bitcoin come up to a crazy high of $48.9K. So the markets are wild. And as the Bitcoin dominance increases, the chances to see a correction in the market do ever increase. But this will give a chance for altcoins and meme coins to potentially go crazy. Remember, nothing in this video is financial advice. Always do your own research and due diligence, guys. But look at the meme market right now. It's something you don't want to be ignoring because there's a lot of money in this sector. The meme market is up 13% in the last 24 hours. So we're seeing a lot of low cap gems go absolutely crazy. And the coin we're looking at in this video is of course Sponge V2. Sponge V1 did a 50x in May 2023. So we're looking at the new V2 Sponge where you can actually stake and bridge, pardon me, into Sponge V2. So it says we're bridging from V1 to V2. Stake your Sponge today to earn Sponge V2 tokens. Buy and stake now for a special V2 bonus. So when we look at the price analysis, we've recently had a massive pump for this token. And when we see the historical price data, almost, well, not quite, but you know, we're looking at all-time high numbers again, potentially occurring for this particular token. So we came out the summer low. We get the Sponge V2 announcement, the community suddenly goes mega hyper bullish again, and now we are seeing this crazy price action. And what I'm actually starting to see right here on the charts is a falling wedge, which is a bullish reversal pattern. It happened actually already. We can see if we just get our price marker, if we can find it over here, price range, you can see actually this was a falling wedge. We got a pump to the upside of 47%. We could potentially get another breakout here to the upside of this bullish reversal pattern, which is of course the falling wedge. Now, this token has fundamentals, but it's also got some solid technicals, as whilst this crypto market is becoming more bullish, we are seeing some positive sentiment around this particular meme coin. And yeah, I know meme coins aren't everyone's piece of cake, but we can see this is actually up 8x from summer, and we were talking about this token since May 2023. So people that did dollar cost average back in, you'd be up amazingly. And we did do some early calls on this token in the Discord. Sponge is saying here, look, miss Sponge's V1 100x in 2023, buy and stake for Sponge V2 now, absorb the damp. 29,000 followers on this particular token, and they have also locked in their liquidity. Remember, meme coins are high risk, high reward entities, but if you are looking to have a dabble with this particular token, the link is right down below where you can do some research and potentially get into it if you want to. So what else do they have to offer, you know, on the from aside to its sort of meme-mentals, its pumper-mentals, if you want to call it that, we can see where we got the Sponge V2 dashboard. 350% APY on the Sponge V2 reward weight. So if you do get staking here, you're actually going to earn a lot of Sponge V2 tokens passively, which then can be sold once this particular coin gets listed on centralized exchanges and dexes. So we can see stage 2, which is where we are now. The Sponge V2 claim will occur in around 6 to 7 weeks. Sponge V2 listing, bigger and better exchanges, a Sponge game development. So there's also going to be a play to earn element to this token, a bit of gamification, which creates excitement, again, more utility and fundamentals attached to this particular pre-sale. So it does look pretty dope. I do like the look of this, and I do actually tend to get really excited with memes like this. And I do have $1,500 worth of Sponge V2 myself, ready to enter the big launch. So let's see what could actually happen here. Remember guys, not financial advice, always do your own research here, but Sponge is making a big name for itself here in the crypto market. So good roadmap, solid staking, you know, potential rewards that you could be getting as well on the side. So it's got a good long-term outlook, I think, and it's already been trending massively on DEX tools, CoinGecko, CoinMarketCap, and things like that. Remember, guys, if you are looking for signals, early calls on coins that potentially pump like Sponge and more, check out the Patreon, which is down below. And let's jump in to a bit of news. Sponge token price prediction. Can the Sponge token match Pepe's coins growth? So we saw this article, it's the first time I've looked at it, but this was released recently, and they're actually speculating that this coin could potentially pump like Pepe. Sponge jumped nearly 4,000% after its launch in May 2023. Now this meme coin is back with a V2 token that promises to be even bigger. So it's quite a big promise. Sponge soars over 4,000% after initial launch, now surging again on the V2 announcement. And that's what we want to see, ladies and gents, is the next big thing. If we look at some of the metrics here, we can see there is a market cap of $21.46 million. A 10x takes it to 200 milli, and there's a lot of liquidity currently locked in of $482,000. What's also nice about this token and reassuring is that they've got a great DEX score of 99 of 99. It's verified, it's not a honeypot, it's a fully legit meme coin. So if you're looking to get into one, this could be one that actually seriously does some crazy things. I'm very bullish. I'm awaiting a potential breakout here. You can see there's a lot of buying pressure around these lows, and the bulls want this to happen. The bulls want a massive pump to happen, so it could potentially happen, guys. So Sponge V2 promises bigger and better exchanges and a play to earn game. They're going to be listing on, you know, more big exchanges, and it says, look, first, the team behind Sponge plans to list the V2 token on some of the world's biggest crypto exchanges, including Binance and OKX. So listing on these exchanges would likely send the price of Sponge soaring as new investors pile in. So of course that's speculative, there is no confirmation yet, but if that does happen and their plan to actually list on these insane exchanges does work, you could see a 10x quite easily with a low market cap project like this. Remember, guys, the markets are greedy, super hot, so always have a good reason when you're getting into coins right now, especially following the spot Bitcoin ETF news. It could be a bit of the buy rumor, sell the news sort of thing, or buy the news, sell the rumor. And overall, the markets are just seriously hot. So take your time. Do have a look at Sponge. The link is down below if you want to check this one out. Super hot coin right now. And yeah, hopefully this video was somewhat insightful. If you're new, subscribe, like, comment, stay crypto safe. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you lovely people soon. I'm not feeling too great, so I'm going to go probably crash out, have a little nap or something. But yeah, let me know. Are you getting into Sponge V2, or are you going to sit on the sidelines? See you soon.